All right, so first thing you're going to want to do is go download Instagiffer and get it for whatever program you're using for. So what you're going to do is you're going to open Instagiffer. I already have a video here. Uh, and then I'll just make a GIF right now so you can see. Uh, if there's a part of this video I can use. No, we'll get to a part where I can use the video so I can show you. Also, make sure you change the location. What you can do is go to File, change the location, and you'll want to put it on your dashboard and name it Insta. See, like mine's right there, but I already have one. So once I can find a part of this video I can use, serotonin, and then you know this is a hard video that I've been working on for probably about a half hour because there's not very many parts of a person I'm making the gifs of. So hopefully shortly there will be a part I can make a gif of. Um, and you just can kind of see if you're looking to make a gif of a certain person. You know what? We'll just go get one. We'll be done with this video. We'll go right here. I usually change it to about 5. I make it 100. I go to effects. I take off enhancement. I got it done. I kind of like size it the way I want it. This is going to be a weird one, so we'll see what happens. It's going to crop, resize, and then it's going to apply filters, captions, effects, things like that. And then it will pop out like this. What you'll do is you'll hit close. You'll go to Photoshop, File, Open. Your GIF is right here. I have one open, so it's going to update it. I got to change the size here, so give me just a second. So it's going to be 200 by 125, I think. Nope. So 200 by 100, maybe? No. So it's got to be 200 by 200, at least for this one, anyways. Yeah, okay. So now I have my GIF. I think I might just leave it this size because it'll be 200 by 200. I don't want to make it any smaller. It's actually 208 by 208, so we'll just change it 200 by 200. I have a filter, so that's what I'm doing right now, real quick, or a PSD that I use. Then what you'll do is you'll go to File, Save for Web, go to Save. This is 104 for me, and that's it. That's how you make a GIF. You have a good day.